Here's the trench for the water line, as deep as we can go to bedrock. Here's the trench for electrical, hydro, coming from the pole. Now we're going to put a little bit of sand on the bottom for the water line. And then we're going to roll out the line along with the electrical. And then we're going to put 2-inch styrofoam on top and then bury it. The styrofoam is for extra insulation because, as you can see, we're only about 2 to 3 feet below grade and we're worried about the frost. We put a layer of sand and then ran the water cable. We also added the electrical cable. Ran it there to the utility room that's going to be there. Now we put some styrofoam for extra insulation. And now we will cover it up.